Lord, why do so many people believe you came to destroy Rome?
I tell you the truth, my kingdom is not of this world.
Many people seek freedom from Rome, while ignoring the chains inside their own hearts.
They truly believe you will lead an armed uprising against Rome. They are expecting you to fight.
My kingdom is not of this world.
The world expects a sword, but I offer only the awakening of the spirit. My kingdom is one of love and inner transformation.
He speaks of another kingdom, not this world.
We need a king who will lead us to war against Rome.
But did you hear what he said in the temple? Jerusalem is expecting a political Messiah, while she now knows Jesus came for something much deeper. Down with Rome. We will not be oppressed. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. They were waiting for a king to destroy Rome, but Jesus came to save something far greater than an empire.
We are starving, suffering under Roman rule. But we believe Jesus, he will finally become the king who saves the poor from Rome.
Jesus must act soon against Rome. The people can no longer tolerate this humiliation and oppression.
Nearly everyone in Jerusalem believes Jesus came to begin a political revolution against Rome. The oppressed people of Jerusalem desperately wanted a political liberator because they were exhausted.
משיגשו את ארמליך, רומרה יועתון.
He speaks with dangerous
He
authority.
must be stopped before he provokes a massive revolt among the people.
The Romans will not tolerate this unrest.
If Rome believes Jerusalem is preparing rebellion, the entire city could be destroyed. Many leaders fear Jesus because the crowds are beginning to follow him more than the temple authorities themselves.
It is blasphemy, I tell you. He must be stopped.
But what of the Romans? They will burn the temple if we provoke them.
We cannot let this continue. The doctors of the law are terrified, not only of Jesus, but of what Rome might do if the people rise up. He undermines everything we stand for. He must be stopped. But the people follow him. We risk a riot. Doctors of the law are not simply afraid of blasphemy, but terrified. Jerusalem itself may collapse into chaos if Rome reacts violently. The time for waiting is over. Soon, brother. Soon we strike.
Jerusalem has waited generations for a leader strong enough to rise against Rome. We believe Jesus may finally become that leader.
They crucify our people, yet we whisper. We must fight for liberation.
Rome humiliates the people daily, and only a powerful Messiah can finally free Israel.
We must be ready. The Romans are everywhere. He will lead us against them. Soon.
Jesus will soon reveal himself publicly and call the people to rise against Rome.
These men are preparing for a military revolution, while Jesus himself spoke only about another kingdom. Jerusalem was preparing for war, while Jesus came speaking about salvation and awakening instead. But I already spoke with him. Jesus told me his kingdom was not of this world. Jerusalem thought Jesus came to destroy an empire, but he came to save souls. Nearly everyone in Jerusalem misunderstood Jesus because they were desperate for political freedom, while he spoke about eternal freedom instead. The centurion seems agitated. Yes, they want to make an example. This could cause a riot before the festival. Nobody here feels calm. Everyone is watching everyone. I can't believe I'm here. It's terrifying. Make way for the legions. The Nazarene is next. This unrest is spreading quickly. They say he heals the sick, but the Romans are watching. He challenges the temple. It will bring ruin upon us all. They say he is here, in the city.
Did you see the miracles?
The Romans will crush us all because of him. Nobody here agrees about him. Some people look terrified. Others look hopeful. He healed people. Why do they want him dead?
He blasphemes. He deserves his fate.
What is going on? They're closing the street. Make way. Everyone, stand back now. This city feels like it's about to explode.
You follow a dangerous man. He must be stopped. But he brings us hope. He is the Messiah.
They say he is the Messiah, but they are crucifying him. What will happen to us now?
Jesus of Nazareth.
Jesus of Nazareth.
Jesus of Nazareth.
He is an imposter, a deceiver of the people.
How dare you! He speaks the truth. He is the Messiah.
The man of miracles. They say he heals the sick.
He's the Messiah.
The Romans will kill us all because of him. Have you heard the name? Jesus. The prophet from Nazareth. I still haven't seen him, but somehow his presence is already everywhere. He claims to be the Son of God. Blasphemy, I say. But look at the crowds. Make way for the Legion! Get back, all of you! Move aside now! Something is happening. They're flooding the city with soldiers.
Make way!
Clear the street now! The soldiers are charging! Run! They are trampling everyone!
The Romans are searching for someone inside the city.
Be quiet, they might hear you. Jerusalem doesn't feel safe anymore. It's starting! They're everywhere! Get back! Run! The Romans are coming! It's overwhelming. The temple has become a marketplace. We have the purest incense, only 3 coins.
The rate is fixed. Exchange your Tyrian silver now.
20% for the temple tax? That is extortion.
We don't have all day. Move aside.
This place doesn't feel peaceful. It feels pressured. He is causing too much trouble. We must deal with him before the festival. The Romans are watching us. Jesus is being questioned by the religious leaders somewhere inside the temple complex.
We cannot let him live. The people are restless.
But it is the Passover. We cannot do this now. He blasphemes.
By what authority do you do these things? Tell us plainly. You have heard the blasphemy. He calls himself the Christ, the King of the Jews.
I am a king, but my kingdom is not of this world. The same people expecting a revolutionary king are now accusing him inside the temple. By what authority do you do these things? You are making yourself equal to God. Jerusalem wanted a warrior, while the leaders now fear the very man who spoke about another kingdom.
I heard Jesus is being questioned by the religious leaders somewhere inside the temple complex.
What are they doing to him? He has committed blasphemy. The Sanhedrin has reached a verdict.
You undermine the very foundation of the law. How do you justify these actions?
He speaks with authority.
He is guilty of blasphemy. He has openly defied the Sanhedrin and our laws. He must die.
The same people expecting a revolutionary king are now accusing him inside the temple.
Are you the king of the Jews? Tell us plainly.
He blasphemes. He is guilty of death according to the law. That Jerusalem wanted a warrior, while the leaders now fear the very man who spoke about another kingdom. Every time someone appears capable of changing an entire system, and the system itself eventually tries to destroy that person.
This man is a danger to the temple. He has broken the law.
Jerusalem kept waiting for a warrior king, while Jesus spoke only about the poor, the humble, and salvation.
I came searching for a political revolution, but instead found men about humility.
Jerusalem expected a king to destroy Rome, but Jesus came to save hearts.
Thank you for following this journey through one of the most important nights in human history. Would you have recognized Jesus differently if you had lived in Jerusalem that night?